How to Use Google Business Profile Effectively by Bangalore Locals. Hello everyone, it's Muzz from Bangalore Locals. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to effectively use Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile is a free listing that appears on Google Search and Maps when people search for your business. It includes your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and other relevant information. Google Business Profile is important because it helps people find your business online. When people search for your business on Google, your Google Business Profile listing is one of the first things they'll see. These are some tips on how to use Google Business Profile effectively. Number 1. Complete your profile in full. The more complete your profile is, the more likely it is to show up in search results. Number 2. Include relevant keywords. When filling out your profile, include keywords that people are likely to use to search for your business. This will help your business show up higher in search results. Number 3. Add photos and videos. High-quality visuals make your business stand out. Include photos of your business exterior and interior, as well as photos of your products or services. Number 4. Get customer reviews. Positive reviews attract new customers. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your Google Business Profile. Number 5. Post regularly. Keep your profile active by posting updates about your business, such as new products or services, special offers, and events. This helps you stay top of mind with potential customers. If you want to register and grow your business online, contact Bangalore Locals today. WhatsApp +91 861 857 5198.